There you go, my perfect products. Skin salve for baby eczema, and it could be for adults also that has a very sensitive skin. So this is the salve for baby eczema and infants. So I made a separate salve for babies. So it's really beautiful. So I'm gonna show you the adult salve that I made before for eczema compared to the babies. This is the adult salve I made before. We're gonna.
Hi, hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all people around the world. To all Filipinos working abroad, OFWs, mabuhay po tayong lahat. So may God bless us all. Thank you, Lord Jesus Christ, for a beautiful day today. So it's Easter Sunday here in Canada. So happy Easter Sunday to everyone. And yes, God bless us all. Mabuhay. So for today videos, what I'm gonna show you is how to make skin salve or balm for baby's allergy or for baby's eczema. Again, disclaimer, this is not a cure. This is only to help the baby eczema not to flare up. It's just for, to control. But it's not a cure. Disclaimer, it's not a cure. Para hindi tayo masipa ni Whitey na naman. Dami na nating videos ang nasipa. So, yes. I separate the baby's allergy salve to the adults. The first batch I made, it was for adults. So now, I'm gonna make for babies. For babies and infants. You know already the age of babies and infants. So this is for everybody's babies, infants, and for the people that even it's adult that has very, very sensitive skin. So this is good for you guys. So here are my ingredients, guys. I'm gonna focus the camera. Here are all the ingredients. So I'm gonna focus all to the ingredients so you can see all the ingredients I prepared here. So this is my scale. So I have to scale everything. I finished the weight of these ingredients. That's organic beeswax, and this is mango butter, vitamin E, what else? Sea buckthorn, rosehip oil, jojoba oil, and these are my infused oil. I'm gonna use 2 kilos or 200 grams. So these are the oils combination for the baby's skin salve. And of course, I'm gonna use the crock pot because this is a double boiler. Stainless steel. I like using stainless steel, not because stainless steel is a very high quality. This crock pot is a very high quality stainless steel. So this is good using for the medicinal. We finished already scaling all the ingredients. We have to remove this. So not gonna be in our area of working. I just wanna show you guys the scale. First, we have to melt the beeswax and the mango butter. So of course, we're gonna put this in a boiler. We need a spoon. Nadudulas ako sa floor, guys, kasi medyo tumulo yung oil sa floor, so kaya medyo madulas. Lumipit yung iba. So okay lang, kasi hugasan naman to. So first, we're gonna melt this. Yan. And we're gonna put the meat. When it's almost melted, we're gonna add the shea butter. So it's on. So we're gonna wait until it's melted. Then, when it's melted, everything with the shea butter. Oh, sorry, it's not the shea butter, guys. It's a mango butter because I always use shea butter. That's why. So for the baby, I use mango butter. It's unrefined mango butter, guys. We're melting our mango beeswax, and mango butter. So these are my tin cans. This is sterilized already, guys. I washed this in a hot water and dried it properly. So I think this is 60 pieces. I have to recount it again to make sure. It's only 48 pieces, including these two, 49 and 50. So it might not gonna be enough. So I need to find another tin cans. Now let's check it out. There you go. It's melted already, guys. we have to melted it in a slow. It's a low heat because the beeswax it shouldn't be boiling. The beeswax and the mango butter, it shouldn't be boiling. So we have to minimize low heat until now it's done. So we're gonna add the infused oil. So we have to add all the oils, guys, before it's become melted. So it has to be mixed well, guys. Mix well before it pour to the tin can. This is how it looks like, guys, when it's melted everything and mixed well. So you have to make sure that it's melted properly and mixed well properly. All combine, the beeswax, the mango butter, and the different oils mixture. So now this is ready to pour to the molder or to the tin cans. Here you go, guys. We're gonna pour this first because it's... There you go. Wow, this is beautiful color though. have to be careful because I don't want to make a mess. Last time I make a lot of mess and I don't want to happen that this time. Because I don't want to waste anything. It's very expensive, all the ingredients, guys. I make a perfect salve for babies and infants.
So, I'm gonna put it closer to me, guys. Because it's drying already, the salve.
So we managed to make 48 salves, including this 149 because this is 2 ounce also and this is 1 ounce. So 50 pieces including the 1 ounce. So it's only 49 2 ounce salve. So here you go, guys. So this is all my salve. So all 48 tin cans, I finish it. So it's all beautiful. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh, it's all green salve. Wow, I'm amazed of the result of this salve. It's a perfect salve for babies. And it smells natural, guys. It's all natural ingredients with vitamin E to protect the skin. And look at this. I put already on my arm the one that, messed up on my hands. See guys, it looks so good. Oh. And it's my skin become smooth. It looks so good. And I put some on my face and my neck. So again, guys, this is the finished product. It's still hot. It's still not hot, warm. So this is my beautiful salve for babies. babies and infants. This is skin salve, eczema salve for babies and infants. So this is very different from the, adult salve that I make for eczema and allergies. Again, disclaimer, this is not a cure. This is only to help to ease the allergy or eczema. It's not a cure. Disclaimer, disclaimer. There you go, my perfect products. Skin salve for baby eczema, and it could be for adults also that has a very sensitive skin. So this is the salve for baby eczema in infants. So I made a separate salve for babies. So it's really beautiful. So I'm gonna show you the adult salve that I made before for eczema compared to the babies. This is the adult salve I made before. We're gonna open. So you see guys the difference. So this is a golden yellow color, or it looks like light brown, the color of the adult salve for eczema, and the baby salve is green. See guys, light green or color light algae. So the very big difference, because this adult salve for skin allergy is more ingredients on it, but for the babies, because babies and infants are very sensitive skin and baby skin, that's why I made a salve, eczema salve for the babies. The name for the front label is gonna be the same of the adult salve, but the ingredients is gonna be different. The ingredients is gonna be on the back, but I don't have that yet. I have to make the label first.